Hi, John here. In this video, I would like to talk about why buy one and get one free is the best discount offer you can use for dropshipping products, and well, why it's also a great discount for you. But first, thank you very much for watching my videos, and if you are still on the Ad Federation, my free Facebook mastermind group, then definitely join Ad Federation. It's free group, it's full of people who spend millions of dollars on Facebook every month, so if you have more advanced questions about Facebook advertising, then definitely join Ad Federation. And also, if you like my content and would like to see more of it, then definitely subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, and if you have some interesting ideas for future videos, like this one, then definitely also comment below. Let's talk first about how people usually, use discounts with their products. Well, first, you are used to see like a percentage discount, right? So usually somebody will say like, oh, like 10% off, or you are used to see like just like dollars discount, right? So like $5 off. In most cases, you see that like buy this, get free shipping, or they a little like try to make that free shipping offer like the key point of their promotion. So like free shipping if you'll buy now. Because these discounts, like that percentage free shipping, I think people use only that, right? So you are seeing it like everywhere, if I will like throw now stone, out of my window, I will probably like hit 6 dropshippers who are trying to sell, products with free shipping and 10% discount. Okay, so I think people don't really like react on it like they did, in the past. Well, truth is that there is like one discount offer that, well, nobody uses. It's like awesome, and well, I use only this offer, buy one and get one free. I never sell just discounted products or like free shipping products or whatever. I sell always buy one get one free. Like literally, like every my product that I launch, even for testing or like main products, it's always buy one get one free. Nothing else. First, it's powerful offer, okay? Like you can really like tell people like, yeah, like buy this, you will get 15% off. First, they will never like count it in their head, so there's like no emotion from percentage, right? It's like no emotion there. So it's like bad discount, okay? I mean, it's good discount if it's like some additional discount, but it should not be like that main key point, okay? Main discounted promotion. Another thing is that people use that free shipping, okay? I mean, I think like hear free shipping or see free shipping like everywhere, right? I don't think I ever bought something what didn't have like free shipping. So I think everybody sell free shipping. It's not unique. People almost expect it, okay? If you will like offer it to them, it's like, oh, free shipping. It's like, yeah, he did it. Like 5 million people who sell things did it as well. So it's really like not interesting at all. But getting one product extra is strong because they won't buy something, and then you will tell them you will literally clone for them this thing and sell it to them as well and give it to them for free. So basically, they will get it twice, They want more stuff, okay? And when you see product that you want, and then person will tell you, okay, I will give you one extra for free, it just like feels so great, So they like buy one get one free. People love to get free stuff, when they feel it's like unique. And most people don't do it. I don't know why, to be honest, but most people don't use buy one get one free. What is important about buy one get one free? You can hide there like huge margin. You can sell things a lot more expensive, okay? That's why I'm able to sell things like with lot higher price than other people, because I always like push there buy one get one free. So even when it's like expensive, they will still probably tell them that it's still cheaper than buy 2 of these or something like that, okay? So buy one get one free is awesome because you can put their huge margin a lot bigger than with some stupid percentage or like offering them free shipping. I always let people pay shipping, okay? I never give people free shipping, okay? I mean, people are used to pay for shipping. I don't want to take it from them, okay? They will get one free, but they will pay the shipping, okay? So don't like put the shipping away. If shipping is like your profit, okay? You need to leave the shipping, okay? If you will let people pay $4.95 for shipping, it's fine, okay? They will live with it. You can also combine that buy one get one free with some additional discount. Actually, if you will watch this video, you will see how I use promotional bar on page, to add there some discount. If you will use that page, that promotional bar with like some 10% discount, it's even like bigger like magnet, okay, for them, because you can offer them buy one get one free, and the percent discount, because with buy one get one free you have like a lot bigger margin, okay, because you can literally like hide inside of this like a higher price, okay, they will pay for all of it. So how you can do it, like technically the buy one get one free in your Shopify store, I literally name an offer buy one get one free, you know, so and tell people in that product page that basically if they will put to their cart that 1 unit they will automatically receive 2, right? So I don't want them to think too much, you know, so literally just like if they will put 1 unit of that product in their cart, you know, they will immediately receive 2 of them, okay? Important is to not expect from people, for example on your product page, to make some decision, right? Like, or like think, okay, if I will add this unit, will I get 2 units, or should I like put 2 units and then it will like update in cart, okay? So if you are selling like buy one get one free, just try to explain everything on the product page so they don't need to think, okay? So they can literally just one line where it's like if you will add 1 unit you will receive 2 units automatically, okay? So they understand exactly and they don't need to be confused, you know, and think how it's like technically going to happen, that buy one get one free. I also tested in the past like buy 3 get 1, you know, free, or buy 2 get 1 free, but to be honest it's even like more complicated and I think it's like confusing people a lot, okay? If you will say buy 1 get 1 free, it's so also like clear in their heads, you know, what they will get and they don't need to think. I think everything what is like a little bit too complicated can damage the deal, right? Or maybe they would buy it but it will like stop them and make them think. I don't want people to think too much, to be honest. So just that's why I do only buy one get one free, because it's super easy, super clear, and everybody understands what's happening and they will not stop on checkout or like think too much about it. Also, this is like very strong discount, you know. You can use it on Black Friday and people will think, oh, it's Black Friday, buy one get one free, you know. But if you will like use some like not so strong discount, like okay, so let's say that you will start giving on Black Friday like 20% discount or something. It's just like 20% discount, like that guy have 20% discount, that guy have 20% discount, like all these like thousands of people have 20% discount, these people have 40% discount, 70%, everybody is doing some percentages, okay? But if you will do buy one get one free, it's like completely different level, okay? You are not competing with these like funny discounts, okay? It's literally just like buy this and get that, okay? It's just so strong. So definitely like try to do that even on Black Friday. Just test it on Black Friday instead of those discounts, okay? Because those like percentage discounts are not so strong. You even feel how strong it is. Buy one get one free, and you can do all these buy one get one free offers on all events like around the year, right? So right now I'm doing like autumn sale, you know, for buy one get one free. Then it's like Black Friday sale, buy one get one free. Cyber Monday sale, buy one get one free. Then it will be Christmas sale, buy one get one free. Then it's like New Year sale, buy one get one free. Then it's like winter sale, buy one get one free. And then it's like spring sale, buy one get one free. Then we are on summer sale, buy one get one free. And then we are again on autumn sale, buy one get one free. So you can really like price it, you know, make buy one get one free, and then you can sell it all year, you know, because it's like all year long, like great offer, you know, and people will just love it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope this video helped you, you know. And if you didn't still try buy one get one free, definitely try it now, because now we are in Christmas, you know, Black Friday sale, and you can use all these like nice words, you know, next to your offers, and people will love it, okay? So definitely try buy one get one free. And also if you recently got flagged, you know, and well, before Christmas will start, you want to get back on Facebook, you know, and start selling again, then on my free ebook, Facebook Advanced Survival Guide, I wrote it, you know, to get you out of the Facebook circle of hell and make your Christmas like great again. And well, or less sad, you know. So anyway, like try to read that book and it will help you to get back, you know, so you can keep selling again. So thank you very much, and I will see you next video. Bye.